suppose that there are two firms, 1 and 2, that produces the same good. Let the inverted demand function be this. Firm 1 produces Q1 greater than equal to 0 and firm 2 produces Q2 greater than equal to 0, same. And then you're given the cost as Ki, Qi, and there is no fixed cost, then find the Coulomb equilibrium. By now, actually, it should be on your tips that when the costs are not equal, when the costs are not equal, when you have different marginal cost, what is the output of the firm? What is the profit of the firm? Yes, sir, it should be, you should remember this by now, right? But still, I will go ahead and do a complete thorough proof of this. So let's say that the price is given to us as 1 minus Q1 minus Q2, right? The cost function is given as Ki, Qi. So it will be K1, Q1 and K2, Q2. Now this says find out the profit. So profit of firm 1. This will be revenue minus cost. So revenue will be price into quantity of firm 1 minus cost of firm 1, right? So price is 1 minus Q1 minus Q2 into Q1 minus K1 Q1. So I need to find out how the profit changes as Q1 changes. I have to differentiate this with respect to Q1. I will write down one more step in between for ease. So you could have written this as Q1 minus Q1 square minus Q2 Q1 minus K1 Q1. So if I differentiate it, I will get 1 minus 2 Q1 minus Q2 minus K1 equal to 0. So I will get Q1 is equal to 1 minus Q2 minus K1 by 2. We know this is the reaction curve of firm 1 as a function of Q2. Now these profit functions are symmetric in nature. They are symmetric. So if I were to find the profit maximizing quantity of firm 2, I don't have to start solving this again. I can just say that, okay, Q2 will be 1 minus Q1 minus K2 by 2. They are symmetric in nature, so we don't have to go ahead and solve them literally, right? Now, what you can go ahead and do is just solve these two reaction functions simultaneously. So let's just go ahead and do that. So what will I get? So from here, this Q2 can be replaced with this thing. So I will get Q1 is equal to 1 minus Q1 minus K2 by 2 minus K1 by 2. So I will get 2Q1 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus Q1 plus K2 minus 2K1 by 2. So 4Q1 is equal to 1 plus Q1 plus K2 minus 2K1. So 3Q1 is equal to 1 plus K2 minus 2K1. So Q1 will be, Q1 star kar do, 1 plus K2 minus 2K1 by 3. This is what your Q1 star is going to be. You can also find Q2 star. I told you they are going to be symmetric. So Q2 star will be 1 plus K1 minus 2K2 by 3. What will be your price? Price will be 1 minus Q1 star minus Q2 star. So 1 minus 1 plus K1 minus 2 K2 by 3 minus 1 plus K2 minus 2 K1 by 3. So if I were to solve the price, this will come down to what? 3 minus 1 minus K1 plus 2 K2 minus 1 plus K2, not plus K2, minus K2 plus 2K1 by 3, right? This is what the price is going to be. So it is going to be 1 plus K1 plus K2 by 3. This is your price. Now it is asking you to find the profit of firm 2. Just do that. So profit of firm 2 will be price minus its marginal cost into its quantity. Right? So price I found out as 1 plus K1 plus K2 by 3 minus K2. And the quantity that I found out was this. 1 plus K1 minus 2K2. So 1 plus K1 minus 2K2 by 3. So if you solve this, actually, it will be 1 plus K1 minus 2K2 whole square by 9. This will be your answer. This is very similar to the Kuno models we have done. In the past, I have done when C1 and C2 are to separate marginal cost. What is going to happen? So it's just that. So the answer would be 1 minus 2K2 plus K1 whole square by 9. Okay, come to